Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.
In a tranquil pond where the lilies sway, lived 5 sprightly ducks who danced every day. With feathers of amber and quacks that would sing, they'd splash in the water, oh what joy they'd bring. One morning a pigeon flew down from the sky. His wings were like whispers as soft winds went by. He perched on a lily with curious grace, and watched as the ducks formed their merry embrace. Come join us, they quacked with a welcoming cheer, but the pigeon looked timid, his heart filled with fear. For I'm not like you, my flight's high and free. These waters are foreign, I meant for the sea. But one little duckling named Daisy was bold. She paddled right over through ripples of gold. Your world is so vast, she said with delight, yet here in this moment we can share our flight. So slowly he ventured to dip in his toes, and soon he was laughing at all of their prose. The 5 friends surrounded him, joyful and bright, while splashes of sunlight turned shadows to light. From dawn until dusk they played games by the shore. The pigeon's heart swelled, he had found something more. No longer just drifting through skies wide and blue, he discovered connection, the magic anew. Yet twilight approached, a bittersweet call. The pigeon grew restless, he knew he must fly tall. I cherish this day, he said with a sigh, but home is above me, the clouds call my cry. With hugs made of laughter and promises sweet, the ducks waved goodbye to their friend on his feet, as he soared into sunset painted crimson and gold. They felt in their hearts that true friendship's worth more than told.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.